Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's a requested one, which is a room tour, and I'm super excited to do this. I personally love watching room tours, so I'm excited to be able to do my own for the first time. And I honestly feel like you can really tell a lot about a person just by their room. So you'll probably be able to pick up that I'm a 6-wing one because everything in my room is organized and there's like a certain little home. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, then you should click the button down below and join my channel and give this video a thumbs up too if you like room tours. And let's just get started. I'm gonna just do like a quick overview real quick so you guys can see everything. Okay, so I'm just gonna start from this side of my room and then work my way around. And I'm gonna do my absolute best to link everything that I can in the description down below. Some of my stuff is really old, so I don't even think it's around anymore. And then some of my stuff is newer, so it still may be in stock online or something like that. So I will do the best I can for that. Okay, so here is my little area of my room where I put like my purse, my clothes for like, you know, a certain day or whatever. And I will go ahead and, for the fun of it, show you a little OOTD for today. I have on this dress that I got from H&M. It was on clearance, I believe. And then I just put a belt with it because it's like really big. So I just, you know, to cinch it in a little bit. Wait, did I say that right? I don't know. But you are picking up what I'm laying down, I hope. So here's my mirror. The mirror is from Target. This print is from Rifle and Paper Company. And then the frame is from Michael's. These are drawer knobs that I got from Target. And then I just screwed them. I got screws that matched, or like the length, and then I just put them on there and I use them as hooks. And then that basket is from IKEA, which I absolutely love to death. And then over here is my like work area and desk. My desk is from Walmart. Has a drawer. And then, oh, my chair is from Amazon. My desk, which is kind of full right now. I need to like go through it, but it has like a thing where you can plug in cords, which is really nice. My vases are from Target. This is from Target. It was in the clearance section. Let's see. Got this from Magnolia. Here, this thing on my wall that I hang is from Ross, I believe, and I just hang like my journal, my cookbook recipe thing in there. And then this is my shelf, part of my shelf anyways. My best friend measured this wall for me, and then he like cut it to the length and the depth that I wanted, and then I just sanded it down, and then I got these brackets from Etsy. This is Magnolia as well. My brother got me those little birds, I don't know where it's at. And then Target, and then Antique Store, Target Hearth and Hand Bowl, and these are from an antique store as well. I will show you the bed before I get on my bed to show you the other shelf. This is my bed. I keep it up against the wall so I have more room, space in my room. But my duvet cover is from Urban Outfitters. These pillows I got like on sale at Bed Bath & Beyond, so I know they're not there anymore because they were the last 4. So we got 2 for my room and then 2 for the living room. I got this book off of eBay. It's antique. It's like a flower book, but look at the illustrations. Oh my goodness. They're just so beautiful. Okay, enough about that. This is a walking stick that I kept from my first hike when I did Sharp Top. So sanded it down, hung some dry flowers on it. This is my nightstand. I got it from Urban Outfitters. My little basket under there is from Target, and then all those blankets are from Target as well. My oil diffuser is from Bed Bath & Beyond. This cute little embroidery thing that I made. And my nightstand, I just keep like the books I'm reading, my glasses, some lip balm, some like medicine for when I get really bad cramps, and my TV remote and a book light. And then here is my Pride and Joy, which is my anthropology mirror. I love it to death. I saved up and I was like, yes, I can finally get it. This pot is from Target. This little woven thing is from IKEA. These like little basket things, this one and this one is from Bed Bath & Beyond. My brother got me this vinyl player. These are all the books that I have not read yet except for Homebody. That's just in here because it's beautiful. And then we have this candle that I got from Target, which, did I light it for this video? Yes, I'm guilty. I lit it just for the aesthetics. And then over here we have this macrame that I got from Urban Outfitters, which I love to death. I love the colors in it. This little basket is from Target, and I keep all of Bella's toys in there so she can get them out whenever she wants. And then up here is my other drawer. I have my beautiful pothos plant that I propagated. I got this little spray thing for misting on Amazon for like $8, I believe. This candle, can we just, it's all gone, but can we just talk about it for a second? I got this from Ross, mainly because it's gorgeous and I want to use it as decor. That's like my favorite thing, when you can get something for 2 reasons. Okay, this print I actually found outside the dumpster where I live. And I was like, are you kidding me? So I took it, I cleaned it up, and now it's mine. This I drew myself. I just framed it. This is from IKEA. This is like the smaller version. I have the large version in my bathroom. It's where I keep all my scrunchies. This is my other plant. I think this is called like a prayer plant. I can't remember the technical name, but this is also propagated. I only started from one of these, and look how much he's grown. These prints are from Rifle Paper. Oh my gosh, Rifle and Paper Company. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. And then these frames are from Michaels as well. Let's see if I'm missing anything. And then that's my dog, of course, Bella. Yep. We got her from the paper. Well, my mom did. My mom found her and she's a gift for my birthday. The best surprise ever. Oh, and then these doors are to my closet. But that's for a different video. And then my rug. I think that's the last thing. No, there's one more thing after this. I got this rug from Urban Outfitters. I love it. I wish it was hardwood in here rather than carpet, but you know, can't choose. So, and then this cute straw trash can is from Target as well. I had to get it because my dog loves to go in the trash can and tear up paper, so. And then I didn't show where her food bowl is, I don't think. And all this stuff is from Petco. And that bowl right there helps her eat slower because she has a very sensitive stomach, so if she eats really fast, it will come up the next day. So I think that's it for my room tour. I hope you liked it. And like I said, everything will be linked down below if you want to check anything out for yourself. And I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if I said that, but if I didn't, then I just said it. If I did, well, then you hear it twice. And remember to hit subscribe and to like this video. It would mean a lot to me. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.